Hey guys, welcome back. We're gonna go ride some dirt bikes. The Eclipse happened this morning. We'll insert some footage here. We're gonna try to show you because it's worth it.
Working?
Kinda. It just looks like a little red ball.
Oh.
It is a little, oh how cool!
Really
Darn
cool.
it!
It won't work. Well, shucks.
No. But yes, it's Saturday. The boys are working at the in-laws. They're painting a fence and stuff. And Noah and I are gonna adult ride and have a good day. Didn't even realize my new shirt matches my pants.
I bet you all in the audience didn't know the meter was down here. Alright. Then you'll go back up?
Oh, you would, huh?
Yeah.
I guess.
Yeah? Or, I was kidding about that. We can go down. Okay, go up there.
Well, we made it back.
We're back.
A little weird.
Weird.
Weird
Eclipse
kind of
Day,
day.
Saturday the 14th.
Ooh.
It was fun. It's a good time. There was nobody out there. It was weird. One side by side. Hopefully we got some good GoPro footage.
It died on this really cool single trail, so I hope we caught it.
A bit of it. So now, lunch, kids.
Clean the house. Chores. Get ready for next weekend.
Yep.
Ah, what a day.
What a day. Good stuff.